guys, what's happening? Attack here, showing you how to make a cube out of magnetic balls. Okay, so here I'm using Zen magnets, but you can use whatever you want, you know, buckyballs, whatever. Just make sure you have 216 of them. So in this video, I'm going to show you two methods of making a cube. I'm going to take you through some troubleshooting, and then at the end I'm going to have a bonus speed run, just to see how fast I can do them. So let's just get started. So for method 1, you want to start off with a single strand of magnets. Now that you've done that, what you want to do is grab both ends, connect them, zip the entire thing up, giving you a 2-ball wide strip. Now grab one end, bring it over to the other, connect it, now place it on top of itself, giving you a 2x2 bar. Now get your fingernail and then just pierce the end, just like that. That splits it open, giving you a 4-ball wide strip. Now that you've done that, pull out your handy card and count down 18. Now when you get to 18, just cut it, bring it over here, cut that along there, long ways, pull both ends just to make it straight, and then add it to the width of the big one. Okay, now here's where we get to make the cube. Count down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push your card in there, but don't cut it. Grab the end, fold it over, and then gently slide the card out. There we have the beginning of the cube. Okay, turn it over, fold it over again, adding another 6 to the width. Then just keep on doing this until we eventually run out of balls, making the cube. There we have it, a 6x6 cube using method 1. So one of the first problems you'll find that you come across when making a cube using method 1 is that when you zip it up, on the end there will only be 1, not 2. If that happens, you can't make a cube. See, it's the same on this side. So the only way to fix that is by grabbing the odd one off the end, going to the other end, and placing it on. From there, you can grab the other end, and continue making your cube. The next problem we may run into is similar to the previous one, but it's a step after. So when you go to make your 2x2 bar, you may come across this problem here. There's an odd 2 on the end. Now, it's easy to fix. Pull the end 2 off, put them on the other odd 2, and there you go. Problem solved. Okay, so now for method 2. What we gotta do to start off with is make a group of 6. Now how you do that, you just count 3 down, fold it over, there you go, group of 6. Okay, now you gotta roll it up until you get a hexagon with 4 balls on each side. Just like that. Once you've done that, pull it off and keep it over there, just for now. We'll go back to that in a sec. Make another group of 6, roll it up just like before, making an identical hexagon. Pull it off. Now, you just gotta stack it on top of the other one, just like that. Now you're just gonna keep on doing that until we run out of balls. There's our last one. Let's just put that on top. There we go. Now that we've got that, grab the card and then begin to cut one of the edges. Doesn't matter what edge, just make sure you don't stuff it up. So let's keep on cutting that all the way down until there's nothing left to cut. Now that we've got a 6-ball wide strip, just like the previous method, we can make a cube. You would know how to do this if you've already watched it. Okay, so count down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stick your card in there, fold it over, pull it out, and do the same. Fold it over. Fold it over. I don't believe we need commentary for this. There we go. A cube successfully made by using method 2. Now, a problem that I ran into twice when I was showing you this before is that when I placed one of the hexagons on top of the other one, it meshed in between each other like that. That's bad. You can't make a cube like that. So to fix that, it's very, very simple. What you gotta do is flip it over to the other side. So just to check that you got it right, place the edges onto each other and see if they touch. If they do, flip it over and that's how you want it. Okay, so as promised, here are my speed runs for both method 1 and method 2. there you have it. Now you know how to make a 6x6 cube using 2 different methods. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to me, and I'll see you all next time. Over and out!